We're going to test your Excel knowledge with some fun trivia questions. So let's get started. Which Excel feature allows you to view different sections of a worksheet simultaneously? A. Split view. B. Freeze panes. C. Group worksheets. The correct answer is A. Split view. This feature helps you work on different parts of a large worksheet at the same time. What shortcut key combination in Excel allows you to quickly autofill a series of numbers or dates? A. Ctrl+D. B. Ctrl+R. C. Ctrl+E. The correct answer is B. Ctrl+R. This shortcut is handy for filling data into adjacent cells. Which Excel function would you use to count the number of cells in a range that contain numbers? A. Count A. B. Count blank. C. Count. The correct answer is C. Count. This function counts the number of cells that contain numbers in a given range. In Excel, what does the formula equals average B2 to B10 calculate? A. The sum of values in cells B2 to B10. B. The average of values in cells B2 to B10. C. The count of values in cells B2 to B10. The correct answer is B. The average of values in cells B2 to B10. This formula calculates the average of the specified range of cells. In Excel, what function would you use to find the highest value in a range of cells? A. Max. B. Min. C. AVG. The correct answer is A. Max. This function returns the largest value in a set of values. How did you do? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.